Hello everybody, welcome to today's video from Acorn and Oak. Gareth here. Today we're going to transform one of these tinsel trees which you can get from Poundland and One Below and the Dollar Tree and Deals and all those other really cheap kind of stores. And what it is, it's a plastic tree cone. Let me just cut off this. It's a plastic tree cone and it's got tinsel around it. So I'm just going to, and I got the red on purpose, so if you're going to recreate this, try and find a red tree, or failing that, buy any tree but then buy some red tinsel. And I know that most of the you know, the pound stores, the One Below, the Sam, Dollar Tree, Deals, that type of thing, they all sell tinsel on its own. So I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to, we will be putting this back on because this is going to become a Santa hat. So come off. Right, take you off. Okay, and you're left with this. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 compartments, and I'm going to be using Tulle. Now I've got two types of Tulle here, and I've also got my plate from my my embossing folder plate. Oh my gosh, my cutter bug, I couldn't think what it was called. And this measures almost 8 inches, so I'm going to use that to gauge the length of my tool pieces. So I'm going to start at one end, and I'm going to wrap the tool all the way around, and you need 4 pieces of tool per gap. So let me just explain that to you again in a second. So because I've got it on here, I can put my scissors through and cut, and I'll be able to cut all the pieces, turn it over, that's slightly too long, that's the end of the roll, and do the same at this end. So my tool pieces will all be more or less the same length. I'm just going to trim this one down. So like I was saying, each one of these takes 8. It takes 4. I do 2 on this side, 2 on this side, but I'm also putting a piece of tool on each of these spokes, these spines that go upwards. So I'm going through the gap and under the base, and I'm tying these on. Just a simple tie, just a simple knot. Okay, and I'm doing that, and I'm alternating between the one with the hearts and the tool with the iridescent glitter. So these, in essence, these will not be one of the 4. So I will put this on, and then 4 will go in between. So back to the ones with the heart. Okay, and then in between, once you've done that, so I'm doing one heart, one iridescent, one heart, one iridescent. So what I'm going to do is, in between here, I'm going to fill the gap with the ones with the hearts, and again just literally tying them on, but I'm only going to use 4 pieces. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I will do that all the way around. And I've done that on a second one, so I'll bring that over to you. So do that all the way around, and it ends up looking like this. And it ends up looking like this. So this looks like the bottom of Santa's hat, the white, snowy, fluffy, furry, frilly bit. making sure all my ruffles are facing the right way, and you can trim it if you wish. I quite like the messiness. And now we're going to put the red tinsel back on. So I am going to go from one of these here, I'm going to wrap it round, and we're going to go around Santa's hat, making sure I want this as close to the bottom as I can get it, so that there's no gap between the tulle and the tinsel.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And because I've gone a bit tighter, I don't have as much tinsel, which is absolutely fine. You can go looser if you wish, but I'm going to go and use the second tinsel from the second hat. I'm going to continue on. We'll just cut off the excess. Okay, so that's that done. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the underside. Okay, and I'm wondering if I should put a bit of tulle on the top as as the pom-pom. So I've got two pieces here. I'm going to have one of each, I think. One of each piece. Okay, one in one direction or one slightly off. I'm going to scrunch those in the middle, and I think I'm going to put that on top. Or do I want to put a pom-pom on top? I think I like that. Okay, let me get some wire. Okay, crafters, I'm not using the tulle, but I do have some polystyrene snow ornaments. So I'm wondering if I could use one of those or one of these soft. Yeah, I think I'm going to use one of these. One of these soft. It's kind of a faux snowball. You know, there's those snowball things you can get for the kids. So I'm going to put some hot glue on the top here. And we're going to smush this into the top. And there we have it, a nice tabletop Santa hat decoration using the tinsel trees from the cheap stores, Poundland, Dollar Tree and so forth. Thank you very much for joining me today, and you'll see me again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.